Hi, my name's Adam from the Cairn Tech Support team at Cairn Research, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a 75 watt lamp and upgrade it to a 150 watt lamp in our Cairn OptoSource Lamp House. So firstly, what you need to do is make sure that it's all powered off and unplugged and the lamp's not warm, and then we can go right ahead. So what you need to do is remove the 4 silver screws in the lid and the 2 in the side. So I'll go right ahead and do that. Once this has been removed, you can take off the lid. So now that we have the lid removed, we've got our old lamp inside, so we must make sure we wear eye protection, as these are pressurised and can crack or explode. Once that's done, we can go right ahead and start. So you will see on the front, underneath the output, there is a black thumb screw which needs to be removed. Once that's been removed, we can get our 2.5mm Allen key and we can align it with the black screw inside and unfasten that. Once that's been undone, we can carefully remove the lamp and its base without touching the glass and leaving any marks or residue, as this can affect the hours of the lamp and the output. So I'll quickly remove that. Once that's been removed, you've got the lamp and the base for the lamp holder. We no longer need either of these, so we can undo the thumb screw, put our lamp back in its case and install our new lamp. So we no longer need the old lamp holder base, and we have our new 150 watt lamp here, and please remember we also can't touch the glass on this one either, so we can undo the clips and remove the case. Once we've got that undone, we can go right ahead. So what we need to do next is, with our old anode arm and ring, we need to grip the anode arm and untwist the anode ring and remove it completely. Once that's been done, with our new lamp we will receive a new anode ring. So we need to fasten that on instead, and using a pair of pliers, just lightly tighten it up. Once that's been done, we can get our lamp out of its protective case and we can insert, so you'll see on the bottom of the lamp there is a notch which must be aligned with the notch in the lamp house inside. And then what we can do is tighten this back up with the black screw down below, insert back the black thumb screw. Once that's been done, we can get our new anode holder, insert it on top of the lamp, and we get a silver little thumb screw which can be screwed on the top to fasten that. Once that's been done, you can put the lid back on, put the screws back, and that's all complete. But please bear in mind that if you just bought a new lamp and you already had an OptoSource, you'll need to burn it in for a minimum of 5 hours and allow it to cool down fully before igniting the lamp again. And also, please reset the hours on your arc lamp power supply. If this is a new lamp and a new lamp house that you've just purchased from us, then you don't need to do this, and this will all be done for you. Thank you. And if you need any help or have any further questions, please contact us at tech@cairn-research.co.uk. Thank you very much.